Oh, hey, didn't see you then. Welcome. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. The format that I use now, which is one half a new boost and the second half a different boost that I re-racked, I'm gonna change that up and I'm gonna make it just one big video. I'm gonna take the bit of making the boost and the re-racking and maybe even bottling, and we're just gonna fuse that into one video. So I'm going to change things up a little bit, and that's going to show in a few coming weeks. To do that, I need a few weeks to make new boosters, film them 2 weeks later, re-racking them and then meshing it and all sorts of stuff. So in the meantime, I have a few different videos in line for you. I have a thing about turbo yeast. I'm going to tell you what it is and how you can use that probably in 2 weeks. About the different yeasts, because I used meat yeast for the meat and an all-purpose wine yeast for everything else, but there's a ton more that you can use. So I'm going to show you that, and I have some other stuff on schedule. I'm going to show that the next few weeks, every Wednesday at 4:30 p.m. Amsterdam time, and then after a few weeks I'm going to steadily upload different boosters. I'm going to go on with my soda series, so I did the cola one, which I'm going to fuse in just one big video at a certain point. And I have a few other sodas waiting for me. I have Fanta, Cassis, but I'm gonna do Dr. Pepper and even Mountain Dew, and let's see where that goes. And I'm gonna fuse some older videos. I'm gonna bottle the meat probably after this, and I'm gonna show that in one big video, see what the final gravity actually is, and then at a certain point I'm also gonna drink it and see how it tastes. But meat takes half a year, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit for that. So there are gonna be some changes, but you're just gonna see, yeah, especially if you subscribe, then every week on Wednesday you get a new video and you see what I'm up to. So subscribe, like videos, watch some older videos, and I'll see you next week. And thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.